Good morning, back with another bike check. Approximately 2002 Avalanche. It's got, hey, trade horns. And Tom Peterson himself is going to approve of this bike check. Hey, Tom. Anyway, 2002, approximately. I could be wrong by 1 or 2 years. Avalanche. I had a bike just like this. I sold it and regretted it and picked this up a few months back. It's got a really basic SS conversion on it, single speed. But what's really cool about this frame is that it hasn't had a lot of miles on it. You can usually tell because there's not a lot of wear on the chainstays. And yeah, it just looks good. I'm not crazy about the colorway on it, but the frame overall is in really good condition. I love this big, beefy down tube gusset on here. Real nice. I'm going to be changing up this bike. It's not going to stay a single speed. Old school Judy, RockShox Judy race. These aren't the worst forks in the world. Definitely, not the most desirable by 2021 standards, but they get the job done. So it's got a budget disc wheel set on it. Yeah, I got big plans. The SS kit that's on here, drivetrain, is going to go on a different bike, my 92 Avalanche. But yeah, just a quick little video on this bad boy. Backstory on this too is that it took me a year to get this from a guy off Craigslist. We went back and forth. He'd kind of ghost me and we'd be in contact. And yeah, built in California, old school, America. All right, now it's time to go to work. I ain't no fun. Beautiful morning though. Good day to be out.